You don't have to spend thousands paying models no more to do a photo shoot. In this video, I'm gonna show y'all how to use AI to shoot a $5,000 video for your streetwear brand without spending $5,000. So in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how to use AI to shoot a $5,000 video for your streetwear brand without spending $5,000. Let's go. So the first tool you're gonna use is Banana Nano. How you pronounce it? Nano Banana. So let's see if they let me. So I uploaded my image. I said, can you generate me a model photo shoot with these images above? Make sure the models are urban, black, smoking joints in the snow. Let's see what they come up with. Whoa. Are you kidding me? These joints is cold, bro. These joints is cold. Yo, these joints are cold. Wow. This is literally, you don't have to spend thousands paying models no more to do a photo shoot. Like, this made me want to revamp my streetwear brand. Yo, this is crazy. But yeah, this is crazy. So it's pretty simple. Like I said, use Nano Banana or Banana Nano, whatever. Once you generate the images, now that you got the photos for your website, if you want a simple website, upload it right there. Start selling tomorrow. I use systems.io. It's very easy, plug and play. It's cheaper than Shopify's own. It's free actually, but it might be like 17 bucks, but it's only 17 bucks. It's real easy to use. So I'll show you how to use it actually. So you're gonna go to system.io. Once you're in here, you're gonna go to sites. You're gonna go to digital stores. You're gonna go to create. Type the name of your store. I already got one, and it's pretty simple. Like, you just edit the header. You wanna hit add new product. And then you wanna select physical product. So the first thing you wanna do though, before you go to sites, you're gonna need to add a physical product. Once you add these products, hit create, add product. You could go back to sites, go to digital store, and add new product, physical product, and you're gonna select it in this list. Just fill out the information, upload a mock image. So let's check out my store right here. So it's pretty simple. You could categorize hoodies, t-shirts. This is one I did. So look at this, man. I actually screenshotted an image of Balenciagas, and I told Banana Nano I want to wear Balenciagas. And so they gave me this. And so now I can edit this. It's got everything you need here. I can edit this and add that new image. I like this. This is crazy. Yo, this is crazy, dude. This is hard. This is hard, man. This is tough. So, if you want the exact prompts I use, if you want A to Z, how to revamp your streetwear brand, how to do a $5,000 photo shoot, all AI, without spending $5,000. All you gotta do is spend $30 on my toolkit. I go through everything, A to Z. So if you want that, definitely tap in with me. I got everything covered, everything you need. Like I said, you can even package 40 or 50 mock-ups for brands, you can actually sell this for a service to other brands. So instead of being a photographer, you could sell them mock-ups of their clothing brand. So sell it for 100, 200 for 20 images. So that's another play. So if you want to know how to do this from A to Z, definitely check out the Digital Trapper's Toolkit. I go through all this. Yeah, this is sick. This is sick, bro. This is sick right here. Yeah, that's it, man.